huge congratulations. Your first start for Wales tonight. How are you feeling?
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I'm looking up at my family and they're so proud. It's a proud moment for me, and hopefully more to come.
Yeah, Paige spoke before the game that, tonight could really be an opportunity for the youngsters to shine. I guess you're hoping this is the first start of many.
Yeah, hopefully. You can see that he trusts the youngsters a lot in the camp. I've just been working hard in training and it's paid off. And you can see today how well knit the group is and how they've welcomed me. And I've put in a good performance, I'd say. And as a group, we came out with a good point, but draw in this case.
I've lost count of how many times I've heard the word transition being used with this Wales side. As one of the youngsters coming through, what's it like being a part of this group at the moment?
Yeah, it's good. Obviously you have the Baylos going, and obviously Ramsey's getting older, but he's helping the youngsters come through. And if we can have the career that he's had, it would be amazing. But I think you can see we're slowly getting there. Obviously, last camp was a struggle, but hopefully we go there on Monday and we put in a good performance.
Yeah, because in terms of tonight, a friendly's a friendly, but with a performance, how much confidence is it going to give you? Because it's fair to say Monday night is a massive game for you.
Yeah, you have to treat these games best as possible. Monday's a massive game for us, as everyone knows, but we focused on tonight. We got tonight's job done, and hopefully we can do that again on Monday.
John, thank you very much, Diolch.
Thank you.